Yeah, of course I had to compare a few clinics. I started by 5 and then I kept 3. I checked what each one of the clinics was proposing, and at the end when I did my homework to check everything and saw the review, I really noticed that your clinic had a very high satisfaction rate, which made it then an easy choice. I don't regret at all. My name is Krimo. I'm from Montreal, Canada. I started the process with the clinic a year ago. I was supposed to come for 2 times. Then because they needed to do some bone crafting, I had to come a 3rd time, which I really liked the fact that I can come back. And the whole process went very well. That's a very important thing because I travel and I came from country, so I can refer to things, I can compare things. But seriously, for a North American person, for them going to Istanbul is a completely unknown experience. So they may think that when they come here, it's another way of doing things. What I really like is the clinic here has absolutely nothing to be ashamed of in terms of technology, means, know-how, how people are very experienced. They have the exact same standards than North America, if I were to compare from where I come. So that's something that people don't know necessarily, that when they come here, they have the exact same treatment, the same technology, the same very knowledgeable people. That's a very big relief. The thing that was becoming a stressful thing is, what if it breaks? So I had a double with me. I never traveled without the 2nd pair of dentals, because if it breaks while I'm outside in a conference or an event, that would be a catastrophe. Big catastrophe. I always made sure to have a 2nd one with me. That was the thing that became a little bit stressful, to say, what if it happens one day and it breaks? But now it's there's no more of this risk that it breaks. Although it didn't bother me before, I was functioning correctly, like my dentals were okay. It wasn't the best, but I do have some regrets because I could have done it before. Definitely, if I were to think about it, if I were to see how everything has been enhanced, yeah, of course, I could have done it much before. I wouldn't say it wasn't a priority, that's not true. I always had the feeling this has to come one day. Seriously, when I think about it, it's the best formula to come to a place like Istanbul, be alone, taking care of yourself, taking care of your dental work. While visiting, you're breaking from your routine of daily work. Amazing. It's a very good experience. It's the whole experience that is important. Like I said, from the day I contacted the clinic, it makes you feel like these people have the professional approach to talk to people. I had that feeling that I will get the same treatment as if I were back home. So that's important. And for me, I'm hitting 2 birds with a single stone. I'm visiting a country, taking some time off for me, and doing my dental work. It was an easy choice at the end. But yeah, of course, anything comes with its risk. But knowing again that you have the quality of work being done here, if you ask me, would you do it again? 100%, no hesitation. Yeah, thank you for the experience. Like you have a nice clinic, you have a nice city to visit, so you've got a bunch of advantages to get more people to come.